Hello everyone. Today for your GK class we will be talking about the great women of India. So in this class we will talk about few women who are from history, who lived in the past, who have been famous for their works that they have done for the country. And most of these women are either queen or mother of kings or empress or people who did great in the eyes of others. So the first woman is Noor Jahan. Noor Jahan will be a famous, a familiar name that most of you might have heard. She, her first name, she had two names. Her first name was Mehrunisa. She was born as Mehrunisa. Later, she married the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1611. In 1611, she married the Emperor Jahangir and she came to be known as Noor Jahan. She became the Empress of India. So, Empress is the wife of an emperor. So, she married Jahangir and she had two names. One is Mehrunisa and the other is Noor Jahan. The next person is Rani Chennamma. Rani Chennamma was a queen of Kittur. Kittur is a princely state, was a princely state in olden times. A part of Karnataka, present day Karnataka, is known as Kittur. So she was the queen of that place, and she is a person who led an armed rebellion against the British, but she was defeated in 1824. So when British was ruling India, she was one among the person who fought against the British. She gathered people and she led an army and rebelled against the rule of British. But later in 1824, she was defeated by the British rulers. Next is Sanghamitra. Sanghamitra was the daughter of Ashoka, Emperor Ashoka. Emperor Ashoka is a very famous emperor. He built a lot of things in India. He was known for his architectural abilities or interest. Ashoka's daughter is known as is Sanghamitra, but then she chose to be a Buddhist nun. She became a Buddhist nun. Nun is a person who have committed or dedicated their life for a religious purpose and who set aside their life for that. She also established Bhikkhuni Sangha. So she became a Buddhist nun. Next person is a very famous person. She is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is also known as Rani of Jhansi. Jhansi ki Rani is she is a very famous person. So she was the ruler of Jhansi, and she is also one among the person who fought bravely against the British rule in the 1857 revolt. So in 1857, group of people in different parts of India rebelled against the British rule and they asked the British to leave India. They wanted freedom. So the 1857 revolt was known as the First War of Independence. So Rani Lakshmi Bai was also a person who led an army against the British and fought against them. Next person is Jijabai. Jijabai was known as Rajmata. She was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was crowned king in 1674. So she is the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And her other name, or she was also known as Rajmata. She was a very brave lady. Ahilya Bhai Holkar, she was a valiant and pious Maratha queen. So she is also one among the person who was very valiant, which means strong or brave person, and she ruled over the Maratha Empire. She ruled central India from 1767 from her capital at Maheshwar. Her capital city was Maheshwar, and she led the She was an emperor of the Maratha Empire. Razia Sultan, she was the first Muslim women ruler of Delhi Sultanate. So she was the first Muslim ruler in India, as well as she was the only woman that ruled in Delhi Sultanate. So she ruled over the Delhi area in 1236. So these are some of the famous Indian women who led India in who led an empire in different parts of India. There were queens, there were emperors, there were um, mother of kings and people like that. So these women were very brave and valiant and stood for a cause, and they are still known for their works in those area.